So, you finally found a discount code on Temu, but now you're thinking, how do I actually use this? Because let's be honest, a lot of people get the code, but never use it correctly. And that means they end up paying more without even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a coupon code step by step so you can actually save money in 2026. All right? First, let's start with the basics. What is a coupon code? It's simply a discount that you apply at checkout. It can reduce the price, give you free shipping, or unlock special offers. But here's the thing, finding the code is only half of it. Using it correctly is what actually saves you money. So let's go step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Then start browsing. Add the products you want to your cart. Take your time here because this part matters more than people think. Once you're ready, go to your cart. Now, this is where most people miss the opportunity. Before you pay, look for the coupon section. Usually, you'll see something like apply coupon or use code. Tap there. Now you have two options. If you already have a code, you can enter it manually, or you can choose from available coupons inside the app, and this is important. Sometimes you don't even need a code because the app already gives you automatic discounts. So always check that first now. Once you apply the coupon, look at the total price. Make sure the discount was actually applied because sometimes codes have conditions. For example, minimum purchase, amount or specific products only. If it doesn't apply, it's usually because one of those conditions was not met. Now, here's a simple trick that can save you more money. Try different coupons. Sometimes one discount is better than another. So don't just use the first one, compare them and choose the best option. Now let's talk about something very important. Timing. Some coupons only work for a limited time. So if you wait too long, you might lose the deal. That's why when you see a good discount, it's usually better to use it instead of waiting. Another thing to keep in mind, some discounts can be combined. For example, a coupon plus a product already on sale. That's where you get the best savings. Now, let's be honest for a second. A lot of people make small mistakes. Here, they forget to apply the code, they rush the checkout, or they don't check the final price. And that's how they lose discounts without noticing. So always take a second before paying. Now, one more tip. Always check your coupon section before buying anything. Many times, you already have discounts waiting there, and if you don't use them, they expire. So don't let that happen. Now, the big question, does using coupons really make a difference? Yes, absolutely. Even small discounts add up over time. And if you use them consistently, you end up saving a lot more than you think. So here's the bottom line. Using a coupon code is simple, but doing it the right way is what actually saves you money. Check your coupons, apply them correctly, and always review your total before paying. And once you get used to it, it becomes part of how you shop. And that's exactly how to use a coupon code step by step in 2026.